beautiful souls, and welcome back to More Than a Mama TV. Today we're diving deep into the enriching activities you can incorporate into your me time to rediscover your authentic self. Each activity is a step towards personal growth and well-being. Let's explore all of these opportunities to reconnect with what makes you, you. Let's start with yoga. This ancient practice offers more than just physical benefits. It's a gateway to mental clarity and emotional peace. Yoga offers timeless benefits that can fit into even the busiest schedules, making it ideal for mamas looking to reconnect with themselves. Yoga can be a mental oasis, reducing anxiety and boosting your confidence and self-esteem, helping you feel more grounded and centered in your busy life. It also centers your thoughts and harmonizes your body and spirit, creating a perfect foundation for self-discovery. Next, let's talk about meditation, a simple practice where you can sit or lie down comfortably and focus on deep, mindful breathing. Regular meditation can significantly reduce stress and increase your overall happiness by helping to quiet your mind so you can let go of persistent worries. By finding moments to meditate, you give yourself space to clear your mind and focus inward, exploring your inner landscape without distractions. Attending a workshop that sparks your interest is another fantastic way to spend your me time. Whether it's learning a new skill, diving into a hobby, or personal development, workshops can ignite your passion and connect you with like-minded individuals. Have you ever thought about creating a vision board in your me time? A vision board is a wonderful tool for visualizing and capturing your aspirations. Taking a moment to focus on your personal goals can spark your creativity and lead you to discover possibilities you hadn't even imagined. A vision board not only reminds you of your own needs, but also inspires you to take concrete steps towards achieving them. Whether your ambitions lie in advancing your career, personal development, or enhancing your overall well-being, a vision board can be an empowering tool to help you manifest the life you truly want. What about spending time in nature? It isn't just relaxing, it's transformative. Being outdoors can help you feel grounded and connected to the world around you. Whether it's a walk in the park, a hike in the woods, or simply sitting by a lake, nature has a way of soothing the soul and revitalizing your spirit. Practicing gratitude is another great way to spend your me time and can profoundly impact your mental health and overall perspective on life. Keeping a gratitude journal or simply taking a few moments each day to reflect on what you're thankful for can enhance your appreciation for the small joys in life. The final activity we're recommending to spend your me time on is personal coaching, as it can provide tailored support and guidance on your journey. A personal coach can help you clarify your goals, navigate challenges, and stay aligned with your core values, propelling you towards personal achievements and deeper self-awareness. So there you have it, mamas, just a few activities to help you reconnect with you. Each of these activities provides a unique pathway to rediscovering and nurturing your authentic self. Integrating them into your me time can open up new doors to understanding who you are and what you truly desire from your life. Here at More Than a Mama TV, we encourage you to choose one of these activities to start with and see how they transform your time and your life. Share your experiences and other activities you find beneficial in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to embrace and celebrate our journeys. Remember to like, share and subscribe for more empowering content. Here's to finding joy and fulfillment in every moment you dedicate to yourself. Take care, beautiful souls.